on my white shirt. Come on! Hey guys, so today I am channeling my inner broke girl. I am also broke on the outside, so yeah. Using all NYX products, I'm going to show you how to do an entire face of makeup for $100. To put that into perspective, I just ordered a new foundation from Sephora and it cost me $49 for the foundation alone. If you liked the video, please subscribe. I will be forever grateful. So I am just going to jump into it. Alright, this could go extremely well or extremely wrong. I feel like there's not really going to be an in-between here. Starting with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color Light. There's a little legend on the back to tell you how much to use depending on the coverage that you want. So just dropping it on the back of my hand. Oh god. I'm using a Fenty Beauty Blender. I feel like it's a decent coverage. That was one full dropper thing. What the hell is it right now? It is so liquidy. See that? Well, okay, I guess we're using foundation on my eyelids too. So this foundation cost $13.60. Got it on sale. A lot of these products I got on sale. Now I'm going in with the NYX HD Studio Concealer. I don't know what color this is. Oh, Alabaster. I actually never put concealer up here, but for video purposes will be a little bit extra. Okay, and then using the other end of my Fenty Beauty blender, just patting that in, making sure that the edges are all blended out too. I don't know if it did a whole lot, so I'm gonna put a little bit more under my eyes. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit before I blend it out and see if that helps us get a little bit more coverage. Okay, going on to the eyes, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and we're using warm neutrals. I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm gonna pick up this lightest shade here. No, I'm not. I lied. That one instead. From my crease up to my brow. So speaking of being broke, the Sephora VIB sale just started and I spent just over $300 on 7 products. I don't actually have $300, but the bank keeps giving me all this free money. Next I'm going in with this color and a blending brush and I'm just taking that above my eyelid. And before I forget about it and ruin my makeup, I'm gonna blend in my under eye. Okay, maybe not the best coverage for the concealer. Just building this up as intense as I need it to be. It's not super pigmented so far, so you might have to go in a couple of times. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade. I don't even know if any of these have names, but this is a little bit more of a dense brush. And I'm just gonna put that right at the end. Don't worry about it being messy because you'll blend it out in a minute. And then I'm gonna go back in with that first blending brush. Then I'm gonna go in with this, which is another tapered blending, small tapered blending. And I'm just gonna make sure the inside is blended. Okay, so again, using that Sigma tapered blending, I'm using that same dark color. And I'm gonna just wash it under my eye. Okay. Okay, next I'm going in with a brush like this. It's flat. This one actually came with the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. And I'm going to apply this kind of pinky shimmer. So first I'm going to spray the brush and then pat it on. That's actually a really nice shimmer. I'm going to use a little bit of a smaller brush. Spray that with water too. Now I'm going in with this light shimmer color. Just doing that on the inner corner to add a highlight. Oh, I didn't even tell you. So the cost of the concealer is $8 and this palette is $22. I'm gonna use this NYX gel liner. I can figure out how to get it out of the box. Just tearing the box apart now. Alright, it's literally how I'm having to get into this. What is happening? Why do you hate me? Okay, I don't usually do a winged liner anymore, but I'm gonna do one. The gel liner costs $12. So I'm going in with a flat angled brush. When I initially start the line, I never try to sweep right from one corner to the other because it's just I'm not that smooth and it is never gonna work for me like that. So speaking of the Sephora VIB sale, it is cutthroat. I thought I would get, you know, ahead of the crowd, be proactive. I added about 10 things to my cart last night. I waited up until midnight, kept trying to use the discount code, and it kept saying it wouldn't work, so I was like, you know what, it's fine, I'll do it in the morning. So anyways, I wake up this morning, lay in bed on my phone for a few minutes, I get an email saying the sale has started. I go to my shopping cart. 4 of the 10 items in my cart were already sold. If you're a math whiz, you'll know that's 60%. What are these girls doing that by the time I get the email and get out of bed, these products are gone? I'm not saying I'm gonna track these girls down, but it happens again. This is really easy to apply too, by the way. So if you are one to do wings normally. Okay, now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using the Micro Brow Pencil. And this is the shade Ash Brown. Oh, this costs $12. I can't open these boxes. Why? Okay. Got it. Wish me luck. I actually am liking the color of this brow pencil. I hate using brow pencils. Oh, it takes me so much longer. Then I just go back through and I make sure the front is combed through and natural looking. I did not buy mascara. The only reason for that is because I don't wear makeup often enough to continually buy new mascara. So I always put mascara on the bottom. I never used to, but tastes change as we mature, I suppose. I also never used to like red wine. Now I go through a bottle a day. I'm sadly not kidding. I'm gonna apply some lashes. It's the Wicked Lashes. Their name. On the Fringe. These lashes cost $10. Usually line up the outside first. Why are you not sticking? Why aren't you staying on my face? Alright, I'm just gonna hope that that stays on, I guess. The thing is, with the band being so thick and dark, if I didn't have a wing liner, this would probably not be as successful. Next, I'm taking my Sigma Tapered Face, and I'm gonna try the contour. The contour costs $4.20. I'm a cheap ass. I just got the refillable pan thing without actually buying anything to hold it. Oh, my nose just started running out of nowhere. It doesn't look like my brush is picking very much up, but oh no. Like the common theme here is that maybe you just have to build up color with most of these products, which is okay. And I bring it up here. Less is not always more, so it's really nice once it's on though. I feel like I have to apply so much of this, but and what do you want for freaking $4? This is a Sephora highlight and contour brush. I'm actually going to use it for the cream blush in Tea Rose. Oh, please don't ruin my face. So one thing I'm noticing already, I haven't said anything, but the my under eye is not creasing, but it is looking kind of wrinkly. As for highlight, I did not buy a highlight color. I'm just going to go in with the lightest shimmer from the eyeshadow palette because when you're trying to save money, every little bit counts. This is my airbrush, Sephora Airbrush Concealer. I'm going to use that to apply the highlight. My camera keeps turning off because I'm taking so long that it doesn't know if I'm still here. It's like Netflix checking up on me when I've been sitting for 7 hours. Oh, hold on today. The blush is $5. Sorry. Okay, the matte lip liner, it's NYX Suede. And this is the color Tea and Cookies. And then I got the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is also Tea and Cookies. This is kind of a really pinky color that I wasn't anticipating, but... Okay, now we're going in with the same color but liquid suede over top. I would just never wear this lip color. Okay. I don't know if the camera's picking it up properly, but it's like a Barbie pink. And so the lip liner cost $6 and the lipstick was $8. Anyways, this is the finished look. Alright, initial impressions. I love the contour color. It took a little bit of time to build up, but once it's on, the shade is great. The foundation is doing pretty well too. I'm finding it's creasing just slightly in my laugh lines. The concealer I do not like at all. I don't know, it's just looking really dry under my eyes right now, so. The brow pencil, I like it as far as brow pencils go. I don't normally use them, so the lashes I actually really like now that they're on. Shadows, love them. Lip color, nope, it's not for me. What am I forgetting? Oh, I really like the liner too. I don't know how well it's gonna hold up. Is it waterproof? Oh, it is waterproof. Okay, blush. As far as blushes go, I like it. Maybe I would not have done a pinky color, but I was sort of keeping with the theme. I think that's everything. Okay, so if you like the finished look and you're trying to save money, you might want to give NYX a shot. And I will hopefully see you next time.